Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with 2 Christmas DIY decor ideas to share with you. And these are the items that we're using for DIY number 1. Alright everyone, here is our vase. I spray painted it with some of this gold metallic spray paint that I got from Walmart. Okay, so I was going to use some of this bling sheet here, but I changed my mind. I'm going to use some of this bling ribbon instead, going around our vase. And I'll be using some hot glue. Summer comes around, yeah, he should be around you. Yeah, he should be. And I'm not trying to be a hater, but tell me why you stay with him, yeah. Okay, now our vase is all done with the ribbon going around. I'll be adding some of these bling sticks that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna be cutting them down. No, he don't recognize you. And now I'll be using some hot glue and gluing them going right around our vase. And here is our finished look for DIY number 1. Our glam gold and silver vase. I like how it turned out with the sticks. The glam sticks going right around. I think it looks lovely and it will make a lovely accent piece for this Christmas season. And here we go with some flowers inside. I think it will look lovely on your Christmas table or any event that you're holding for this Christmas season. I like how it turned out, very unique and nice. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our centerpiece for DIY number 1. Okay, for DIY number 2, I have this canvas here that we'll be using. And I have this image that I cut out. And it's glitter. It's glitter vinyl, so I'll be using my little mini heat press machine. And I'm just gonna center it onto our canvas. And now I'm gonna use a little mini press on the 3rd setting and press it onto our canvas. Now the Dollar Tree also has these little, oh gosh, I forgot what they're called, but they have images that you could use if you don't have a cutting tool to use vinyl. You could get the little stickers and stuff that they have at the Dollar Tree and put them onto a canvas. Okay, so now I'm going to peel it because it's a hot peel. So we're going to peel back our courier sheet. Okay, great. So now we are going to use some of this glam chain here and some E6000 and add it to our canvas. Hey everyone, I hope you guys are having a blessed day today. Wherever you are, whatever time it is, I hope you're doing good. Your girl is over here. I'm taking it one day at a time. Hopefully I will be getting my transplant soon. I hope so. I am losing weight, which is good. Um, there's a lot to talk about that, and I'm thinking about doing a video to update you guys what's going on with me. If you'd like to hear about that more, leave me a comment down below and let me know, and I will do a video telling you guys about all the changes, all the updates that's been going on with your girl, because I have been going through a lot. But I keep doing my DIYs because that's what helps me, and I love sharing things with all of you. And now that that's all done, I'll be using some of these bling sticks here, and I'm going to cut them down to size and add them to our canvas. And I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. On Wednesday, I do freestyle videos where I share with you a bit of all my passions that I have and like to do. And then on Sundays is my regular DIYs. And I hope that you will join me on both these days and just have a look of what I have to share with you. Choosing material things over you. Got me young girl, please, please. I'm a new, baby, don't worry, nobody's tempting me unless it's you now. And here is our finished look. I like how it turned out. I think it looks super cute. A nice little Christmas wall decor, or you can have it like how I have it displayed like this on any surface, or hang it on the wall using some command strips. Both ways I think it would look lovely. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. I hope if you enjoyed today's 2 DIYs, you will give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you will hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye, everyone. Girl, I would wait for you like all day. Now I got a much different frame of mind. If you need advice, girl, don't take